When considering hiring a helper, there are distinct payroll options available. Firstly, consider the sole proprietorship with a 1099 contractor. You remain a sole proprietor and the helper is classified as an independent contractor. You pay the helper directly and issue a 1099 NEC at the end of the year. The pros of this arrangement are simplicity and no payroll taxes or benefits to manage. The cons include limited employment rights for the helper and potential liability issues if they are not truly an independent contractor. Secondly, consider establishing a limited liability company or LLC with payroll. This provides liability protection and allows you to set up a payroll system. You hire the helper as an employee and pay them a regular salary or hourly wage. The pros here are a clear employment relationship, compliance with labor laws, and access to employee benefits. The cons are more complex administrative tasks and payroll taxes and benefits to manage. If you plan to hire a helper and have them work regularly for your business, it is recommended to form an LLC and set up a payroll system. This provides a more formal employment relationship, protects you from liability, and ensures compliance with labor laws. To further help you grow an electrical contracting company, develop a business plan. Outline your goals, strategies, and financial projections. Secure licensing and insurance. Obtain the necessary electrical licenses and insurance policies to operate legally. Implement marketing and networking strategies by promoting your business through online marketing, networking events, and referrals. Build a strong team by hiring skilled and reliable employees to support your business growth. Manage finances effectively by implementing accounting practices to track income, expenses, and cash flow. Stay up to date with technology. Utilize industry-specific software and tools to streamline processes and enhance efficiency. Seek mentorship and support by connecting with other contractors or industry professionals for guidance and support. Continuously improve by regularly evaluating your business and implementing improvements to enhance quality and productivity. Prioritize meeting customer needs and deliver excellent service to grow your business reputation. A comprehensive business plan serves as a roadmap for your electrical contracting company, outlining your goals, strategies, and financial projections. It should include a detailed market analysis, competitive assessment, and financial forecasts. Regularly review and update your business plan to adapt to changing market conditions and business needs. Securing the necessary electrical licenses and insurance policies is crucial for operating legally and protecting your business from potential liabilities. Ensure that you comply with all local, state, and federal regulations. Maintain adequate insurance coverage, including general liability, workers' compensation, and professional liability insurance. Marketing and networking are essential for attracting new customers and building relationships within the industry. Develop a strong online presence through a professional website and social media profiles. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and participate in community activities to expand your network. Seek referrals from satisfied customers and offer incentives for new business. Building a strong team of skilled and reliable employees is critical for delivering high-quality services and meeting customer expectations. Invest in training and development programs to enhance your employees' skills and knowledge. Foster a positive and supportive work environment to attract and retain top talent. Delegate tasks effectively and empower your employees to take ownership of their responsibilities. Effective financial management is essential for maintaining the financial health and stability of your electrical contracting company. Implement sound accounting practices to track income, expenses, and cash flow. Monitor key financial metrics such as profitability, revenue growth, and debt levels. Prepare regular financial reports to assess your business performance and identify areas for improvement. Stay current with the latest technology and utilize industry-specific software and tools to streamline processes and enhance efficiency. Invest in project management software to track project progress, manage resources, and communicate with clients. Utilize estimating software to generate accurate and competitive bids. Implement customer relationship management, or CRM software to manage customer interactions and track sales opportunities. Seeking mentorship and support from experienced contractors or industry professionals can provide valuable guidance and insights as you grow your business. Join industry associations and attend networking events to connect with other professionals. Seek advice from mentors who have successfully navigated the challenges of building an electrical contracting company. Participate in peer groups or masterminds to share best practices and learn from others. Continuously evaluate your business processes, customer feedback, and market trends to identify areas for improvement. Implement changes to enhance quality, productivity, and customer satisfaction. Embrace a culture of continuous learning and innovation to stay ahead of the competition. Regularly solicit feedback from customers and employees to identify areas for improvement. Customer satisfaction is paramount for building a strong reputation and securing repeat business. Exceed customer expectations by providing excellent service, delivering high-quality workmanship, and communicating effectively. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and address any concerns or complaints in a timely manner. Build long-term relationships with customers by providing ongoing support and maintenance services. Let's delve into more specific aspects of payroll and legal structures for your electrical contracting business. When classifying your helper, understanding the differences between an employee and an independent contractor is crucial. The IRS has specific guidelines to determine worker classification, focusing on behavioral control, financial control, and the relationship between the worker and the business. Misclassifying an employee as an independent contractor can result in significant penalties, including back taxes, interest, and fines. An LLC, or limited liability company, offers several advantages over a sole proprietorship, primarily liability protection. In a sole proprietorship, your personal assets are at risk if your business incurs debt or faces lawsuits. An LLC separates your personal assets from your business assets, providing a layer of protection. Setting up an LLC involves filing articles of organization with your state and complying with ongoing requirements such as annual reports. Regarding payroll taxes, as an employer, you're responsible for withholding and remitting federal and state income taxes, Social Security taxes, Medicare taxes, and unemployment taxes. You'll need to obtain an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS and register with your state's Labor Department. Payroll software or a payroll service can help you manage these complex tasks. Employee benefits can be a significant factor in attracting and retaining talent. Consider offering benefits such as health insurance, retirement plans, paid time off, and disability insurance. Research different benefit options and choose those that align with your budget and employee needs. Labor laws vary by state and industry. It's essential to comply with all applicable laws regarding minimum wage, overtime pay, workplace safety, and anti-discrimination. Consult with an attorney or HR professional to ensure compliance with all relevant regulations. Workers' compensation insurance provides coverage for employees who are injured on the job. This insurance covers medical expenses, lost wages, and rehabilitation costs. Ensure that you have adequate workers' compensation coverage to protect your employees and your business. Now let's dive further into developing a robust business plan. Your business plan should include a detailed market analysis, identifying your target customers, their needs, and your competitive advantages. Research the demographics, income levels, and buying habits of your target market. Analyze your competitors' strengths and weaknesses and identify opportunities to differentiate your business. Your financial projections should include a detailed income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Project your revenues, expenses, and profits for the next 3 to 5 years. Use realistic assumptions and sensitivity analysis to assess the potential impact of different scenarios. Your marketing strategy should outline how you plan to attract and retain customers. Identify your key marketing channels, such as online advertising, social media, and direct mail. Develop a compelling brand message and create marketing materials that resonate with your target audience. Your operations plan should describe how you will deliver your services efficiently and effectively. Outline your processes for project management, scheduling, and quality control. Identify your key suppliers and negotiate favorable terms. Your management team should have the skills and experience necessary to lead your business successfully. Highlight the qualifications and accomplishments of your key personnel. Create an organizational chart and define roles and responsibilities. Regarding securing licensing and insurance, ensure that you comply with all applicable electrical codes and safety standards. Obtain the necessary permits and inspections for all projects. Maintain a clean safety record to avoid accidents and injuries. Review your insurance policies regularly to ensure that you have adequate coverage. Consider purchasing additional insurance policies such as cyber liability insurance to protect your business from emerging risks. When it comes to marketing and networking, create a professional website that showcases your services, experience, and customer testimonials. Optimize your website for search engines to attract organic traffic. Utilize social media platforms to engage with your target audience and promote your business. Attend industry trade shows and conferences to network with potential customers and partners. Join local business organizations and participate in community events to raise awareness of your business. When building a strong team, conduct thorough background checks on all potential employees. Verify their qualifications, experience, and references. Provide ongoing training and development opportunities to enhance their skills and knowledge. Create a clear and consistent performance management system. Recognize and reward employees for their contributions. Managing finances effectively involves tracking all the income and expenses accurately. Use accounting software to automate your bookkeeping tasks. Reconcile your bank accounts regularly to ensure accuracy. Prepare regular financial reports to monitor your business performance. Develop a budget and track your progress against it. When staying up to date with technology, invest in software and tools that can help you automate tasks, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. Examples include project management software, estimating software, and customer relationship management software. Train your employees on how to use the new technologies effectively. Regularly evaluate new technologies and consider adopting those that can benefit your business. Regarding seeking mentorship and support, find a mentor who has experience in the electrical contracting industry. Attend industry events and join professional organizations to network with other contractors. Participate in online forums and communities to share best practices and learn from others. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. For continuously improving, regularly evaluate your business processes and identify areas for improvement. Solicit feedback from customers and employees. Track key performance indicators or KPIs to monitor your progress. Implement changes based on your findings. Embrace a culture of continuous learning and innovation. When it comes to customer satisfaction, always put the customer first. Listen to their needs and expectations. Provide excellent service and deliver high-quality workmanship. Respond promptly to their inquiries and address any concerns or complaints. Build long-term relationships with your customers. To further elaborate on the technology front, consider adopting Building Information Modeling, or BIM, software. The BIM allows you to create 3D models of your electrical systems, improving coordination and reducing errors. Explore cloud-based solutions for project management and collaboration. Cloud-based software allows you to access your data from anywhere and collaborate with your team in real time. Implement mobile apps for field service management. Mobile apps can help you track employee time, manage work orders, and communicate with customers. On the topic of financial management, establish a line of credit with your bank to provide working capital. Manage your cash flow carefully to avoid running into financial difficulties. Consider using factoring to accelerate your cash flow. Work with a financial advisor to develop a long-term financial plan. When building a strong team, consider offering profit sharing or stock options to incentivize your employees. Create a culture of teamwork and collaboration. Delegate tasks effectively and empower your employees to make decisions. Provide regular feedback and coaching to help your employees grow. In the realm of marketing, focus on building your online reputation. Encourage customers to leave positive reviews on Google, Yelp, and other review sites. Use social media to share your expertise and build relationships with potential customers. Create valuable content such as blog posts and videos to attract organic traffic to your website. Consider using pay-per-click advertising to reach a wider audience. When securing licensing and insurance, make sure you understand the specific requirements in your area. Some jurisdictions may require additional certifications or licenses. Review your insurance policies regularly to ensure that you have adequate coverage for all potential risks. Consider purchasing a surety bond to protect your customers in case of non-performance. When it comes to customer satisfaction, go the extra mile to exceed customer expectations. Follow up with customers after the project is complete to ensure they are satisfied. Offer a warranty on your work to provide peace of mind. Build long-term relationships with your customers by providing exceptional service. Focus on creating a positive customer experience from start to finish. Remember that building a successful electrical contracting company takes time, effort, and dedication. Stay focused on your goals, continuously improve your business, and provide exceptional service to your customers. Now let's discuss some strategies for dealing with common challenges faced by electrical contractors. One common challenge is managing project costs. To effectively manage project costs, create a detailed budget for each project and track your expenses carefully. Use project management software to monitor your progress and identify potential cost overruns. Negotiate favorable prices with your suppliers. Another challenge is finding and retaining qualified employees. To attract and retain qualified employees, offer competitive wages and benefits. Create a positive and supportive work environment. Provide opportunities for training and development. Offer incentives for good performance. A further challenge is dealing with difficult customers. To deal with difficult customers, remain calm and professional. Listen to their concerns and try to find a solution. Set clear expectations from the beginning of the project. Document all communications. A common challenge is managing cash flow. To effectively manage cash flow, track your income and expenses carefully. Invoice customers promptly. Offer discounts for early payment. Establish a line of credit with your bank. Another challenge is staying up to date with the latest technologies and regulations. To stay up to date, attend industry events and conferences. Read trade publications and online resources. Join professional organizations. Take continuing education courses. An additional challenge is competing with larger companies. To compete with larger companies, focus on providing exceptional customer service. Differentiate your business by specializing in a niche market. Build a strong online presence. Network with potential customers and partners. A common challenge is managing risk. To effectively manage risk, obtain adequate insurance coverage. Follow safety procedures to prevent accidents and injuries. Comply with all applicable laws and regulations. Seek legal advice when necessary. Let's talk about sustainable business practices. Incorporating sustainable practices into your electrical contracting business can not only benefit the environment but also improve your bottom line and attract environmentally conscious customers. Firstly, consider energy-efficient equipment. Invest in energy-efficient tools and equipment such as LED lighting, variable frequency drives, and energy-efficient generators. These investments can reduce your energy consumption and lower your operating costs. Secondly, consider waste reduction and recycling. Implement a waste reduction and recycling program to minimize waste and conserve resources. Recycle materials such as copper wire, conduit, and packaging materials. Properly dispose of hazardous waste materials such as fluorescent lamps and batteries. Thirdly, consider green building practices. Promote green building practices to your customers. Offer energy-efficient lighting solutions, smart home automation systems, and renewable energy options. Educate your customers about the benefits of green building. Fourthly, consider sustainable procurement. Choose suppliers who offer sustainable products and services. Prioritize products made from recycled materials or renewable resources. Support local businesses to reduce transportation costs and emissions. Fifthly, consider transportation efficiency. Optimize your transportation routes to reduce fuel consumption and emissions. Encourage employees to carpool, bike, or use public transportation. Invest in fuel-efficient vehicles. Sixthly, consider water conservation. Conserve water by using water-efficient equipment and practices. Repair leaks promptly. Educate employees about water conservation. Seventhly, consider employee engagement. Engage your employees in your sustainability efforts. Encourage them to come up with ideas for reducing your environmental impact. Provide training on sustainable practices. Finally, promote your sustainability efforts to your customers and the community. Highlight your commitment to environmental responsibility in your marketing materials. Participate in sustainability initiatives and events. By implementing these sustainable practices, you can reduce your environmental impact, lower your operating costs, and attract environmentally conscious customers. Remember to regularly review and update your sustainability plan to ensure that it remains effective. By focusing on these strategies and best practices, you can build a thriving electrical contracting business that provides exceptional service, meets customer needs, and contributes to a sustainable future.